back. It's another day of Life of Kev. But I tell you, I always got something to do, DIY. But look at the car. I tore the whole front end of this thing off just to get to the darn water pump here. And I didn't even know what the water pump back. It was leaking coolant. It could have been a hole, could have been a radiator, but I'm like, man, ain't none of this stuff never been done. Go ahead and do it. At least you know what's done to it. So this is the water pump. So this is what I'm gonna change, because this is what all that done took off. So I'm gonna change the water pump. I'm gonna change the thermostat. AC compressor sit here. Alternator sit here. Changing all that. The radiator and condenser is all in one. It sit here. Changing that too. All the headlight bulbs, because you gotta pretty much take the fender way out to get to the headlights, or pull the headlight out. Changing all the headlight bulbs, signal light bulbs. Changing all the stuff, because it's easy to get to right here. Like, there's a lot of, man, if you see this wire loom, look, see them, that wire loom over there, one right here, all these connectors up here, look at all this wire loom over here. So, this is the dipstick. You definitely need to replace them two O-rings. It look like it's about to rust. Might need to get on and get a new one. Them northern cars, boy, that salt tear them up. That salt tear them up, but this is what I need to get to, so I'm going to go ahead and get this timing set, and ain't too much more I'm going to do today, cause, well, I need to take this out. I need to take a picture if I take this out, because I need to get one of these timing chains tensioners. Now, I'm tell you, the time, it don't pay to be cheap. It don't pay to be cheap. It will cost you more than what you think. So I'm replacing all the parts, because it's easy to replace them now. You put all this back together, then your alternator go out. What's up? Man, you gonna fight with it if you got the radiator in there, or you about to fight. You about to be cussing and fussing because it's so compact. So, and then on this, everything I had to get to this, I hate to say it, I go to Nissan, get a genuine water pump. Nissan, get a genuine thermostat. After I set this timer, I might take that chain up there to them, like, hey, what y'all think about this chain? This chain look pretty good. They say yeah, and cool. I'm gonna go ahead and change these. They call galley gaskets. It's behind this little piece of shape, just like this. You got one there and one here. Go and change that. And if I do that, I'm always gonna change these guides, cause see the chain run along it. And so oil come through here. This is the water pump. So I'm always gonna change that. But boy, this will work. This is a work. And boy, no. I see all I had to do. I'm like, man, I'm about to replace everything I need to replace. Everything I need to replace, I'm going ahead and replace it. It's cheaper to do it now than wait till later. So let me go and try to get this timing set. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this tension off. Go ahead and take these off. And then these galley gaskets. I gotta get a torque wrench, cause that's one thing for sure. You don't want one of these screws to come out and be jumping around in here, cause they gonna tear up something. So I'm gonna have to get a torque wrench so I can torque them things back down to spec. But right now, man, and I gotta get all new screws. All these rounded off, get all of them new. But let's go and get this tension off. What's a 12? I need a 10. I already set the timer, so if you have to do this, you got marks. See if I can show you the marks. So let's see. So you got this Woodrow key here, and you got that mark right there. And then this bump out right here. That's the timer setting up. You line it up, you got a little dot right there. And the same thing over here. Got a little dot right there. So you can see it. You can't really see it, but it line up with that little bump out right there. So how I set it, I just put that wheel back on there and twist it by hand. It ain't that hard. You ain't gotta put no screw in. We got a wardrobe key, so it locks on right there. I just twist it. So let's go ahead. We got to get this tension off and then drop this chain. And I don't think these chains are bad. I gotta find out. This one got a little play in it. This no here don't have no play nowhere. So I don't know if this hydraulic guide is good. Oh, it went up. Oh, well, it's probably good then, because it can go up. It's hydraulic. It's driven by oil, so it go up and down. So when oil pressure on it tightens it. So we're gonna get this thing out. It was under some pressure. It was under some pressure. So see where you bargain at. Oh. We got a little hole right there to hold it. I wonder how far. It was almost all the way out. So that means that chain probably done stretched to its max almost. But see this tensioner, you got keys on it. I wonder how you make it go back in. Let's see something. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. What I might do, I might reset it. Just to make sure it was, see how far it was actually out. I might reset it. But I think so it's driven by oil. Yeah, I say go replace this thing. And make sure you get it from Nissan. Yeah, I need a pin or something to stick in there. Oh man, I'm making a mess. Oil coming out. But anyway, I can go ahead and I can get that off. That's just an Allen wrench. So what I do, like when I get the new chain, I just measure. If it's longer, let's tell you how much. Team. Stop all that noise. That'll tell you how far it done stretched out. But this stuff here, I do these, this, and the tension, and the water pump. Oh, that's coming from Nissan. I ain't taking a chance. I need to get some slack in this thing. I'm not taking no chance. Something going wrong down the road, you gotta take this thing all the way back down. So if you don't shut your little butt up, you put you inside. What she yapping for? So, let me go and take the rest of this off. Alright, so you say I got a timing chain now. I go and pop the water pump off. This thing got 2 sets of gears. Take that chain, put it fit over both. I ain't even pay attention to that. Let's see. This chain was up like this. Oh yeah, it was on that back set. Oh, it go on the front set. Yeah. Chain go like this. It can only go one way because you can't flip it. That's all. Duh. So it is dummy proof. You can't mess it up. Let's go ahead and get this man, I gotta take this out. Let's go ahead and get this water pump out. It look new. It don't look that bad. That shiny white it is. But like I said, we're gonna take everything off. Now we got this thing broke down. That James Brown. I don't want to break that. Hey, you don't want to mess around up in here. You want to make sure you take your time and do this stuff right. Just to do right. You know you want to do it right. So you don't want to have to go through all this work again. You don't have to go through all this again and get that stuff out. So let's take my time. Come on, get on there now. Well, so these screws here. Oh, this for the galley. I put these back in here. I know where they go. Matter of fact, I'm about to screw this back on. So I don't want to mess around and put this on the backwards. And you put that cover on there. You got to break it back loose. I'm going to put this right back on right now. Alright, I'm going to snap this water pump out. I need to make sure I clean these screws. Cause all this oil and stuff in here, you don't want no trash in them. That seal don't look good right there. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's some of that sealant. I definitely need to go ahead and pop that out. I need to take my time to clean this thing real good. I'm gonna have to get some kind of razor to go around this and scrape all that off. And so what I'm gonna try to do is get this chain tomorrow, get these guys. I'll go ahead and replace these. Since I got all this, I'll go ahead and replace these. And I just gotta get a torque wrench. Cause you gotta torque these back down. Cause like I said, you don't want one of them things to bag out and start rumbling around here. But you'll tear up your motor. You would tear it up. So how does this screw feel like that? It's got like a little notch in it or something. And this ain't rolling smooth. I'm gonna make sure all of them the same size. Let's see. Oh, some and they kind of tied. Why this thing won't come out of here? gasket behind. I need a rubber mallet. That's what I need. So a rubber mallet, you can hit a hammer, you might dent it. See the water cooler come out of this right here. Let's see if I can just tap on it a little bit. Make sure I don't break that guide right there. Let's see. I'm roll this up, try to make a little cushion. That something ain't budging. Sheesh. It's sealed in there like that. Oh, let me start turning this thing before it spit out coolant. So I get this water pump off. Alright, so let's try to get this darn water pump out. I know this thing gonna probably make a darn mess. Probably should use some duct tape, but I don't want to scratch nothing. No. It's too big. Oh, it moves. I want to pull it out just a little bit because I know it's some coolant in there. I had to cover this up because all this oil. I ain't know. Well, I tell you, them darn engineers, where they design stuff. You want foreign cars, huh? I like American cars. And with the oil pump, it's bolt on. You ain't gotta go through all this to change. I mean, the water pump. You ain't gotta go through all this changing darn water pump. You gotta take the whole front end of the car off. I need a smaller. I don't want to chip up with that big thing. Let's see. And this don't have nothing I can push out with. Come on. I ain't even budging with this. It's probably got a little vacuum on it. I'm gonna have to take this off. I ain't want to break that. I take that off. And give me a little more. Yeah. Tell you, get to this stage. You're almost home free. We'll play it safe. Play it safe. Stand up. That's something, man. That tight. I don't even want to take it off because it might be bolted or something behind it. I ain't taking that off. Because this is your secondary cover. This cover actually comes off too. I ain't want to take that off. No, but that thing about to come loose. We gonna get it. We definitely gonna get it. You gotta see how to get it. I can feel it. It's moving. It's moving. See, I can get out just a little more. Whoa, this thing is on that tight. Shit. Well, good thing that's just the water pump. It's coming out anyway. So, That's just the water pump. So we're replacing that, so that don't really matter. That don't really matter. Let's see here. Well, it got 2 rubber O-rings in here that's holding it. Now we replacing it, you know. I gonna whack on it one time with a hammer. Make sure you ain't break that. That's good. Turn it. There you go. Try to keep the flow clean. I don't like working in a bunch of mess. And see, it broke where that bolt go at. But see, it ain't mess up the block. That's the good thing. That is the good thing. It didn't touch the block. I don't care less about it breaking us. Oh yeah, well that thing look cruddy. Cruddy. So we go Nissan tomorrow, get a water pump, and get some Scotch-Brite, clean all that out real good. Set these screws in here so I know where they go. Yeah, it broke that thing slap off. Boom! I say, turn it. Damn it, boy. But hey, I'm done for that. I'm gonna let that sit like that. Run down. I'm gonna take this oil pan down here. Take that in the backyard. That thing down there, right here. Take that thing in the backyard and pressure wash it off. Get all that crud out of there. That's a bad design though. That is a bad design. So we got water pump, thermostat, timing chain. These seem to be good. These then this is what is this? These two are your exhaust, I think, and this is your inlet and your outlet or whatever. But go ahead. This is gonna be next. I ain't took it off because I just rather get the gaskets. But I should go ahead and take it off. I should go ahead and take it off. But yeah, I should go ahead and take that out. Let me see how tight them screws is, cause boy, you don't want to strip them bad, boys. And they gotta be torqued down to 10 pounds. Oh, my screwdriver that. Yeah, we took down 10 pounds, so let's see. This is, everybody said a number 3. I don't like the way that one fit. It don't seem like it's in there deep enough. So it wiggle around too much, so I don't want to use this one. So I got another one somewhere. See how this one fit. Go ahead and break them all loose. Oh my God, this ain't even tight. This ain't tight, boy. That thing ain't even tight. Let's see. This one tight? This one ain't tight. Oh man. I see why they're telling you talking about these things ain't tight. Look. That one tight. That one real tight. Shee! That son of a gun real tight there. Let's see, let's try this one. Oh yeah, I'm so damn tight. I'm about to get me a wrench. These over here weren't even tight. That ain't tight. And this is the tricky one right here. This went back behind this thing. It's tight too. Yeah, I think that's it for me today. It's 5 o'clock. I started 12 hours ago working. So that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Boy, should be slowly making progress with this thing. We got so many parts in the back of this thing. Shame. But hey, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on our post notification, click that bell. The bell lets you know every time I post. So tomorrow, come back tomorrow. Whenever the next vlog come out, should be putting parts on. Probably put that cover case on. Get all that stuff in. That might be it. Might go ahead and put the AC and the alternator on. Try to get all of this stuff on. That way, I only have to do this front and the headlights. So, we out.